Event-based notifications give the ability to respond to emergencies rapidly and coordinate the response appropriately. It can be very useful in different scenarios. In this video we will set up an event-based notification for emergency mode. When emergency mode is triggered across the site, all the appropriate recipients will receive an email when emergency mode is activated. For example, HR, the site manager and emergency services. A system email account is required. Ensure that the system has an email account already set up, from where the email notifications will be sent. When emergency mode is activated by an input, select the device where the input is connected. In this case, the input is connected to an IO8 module. Add the emergency input. When emergency mode is activated, all the doors on the site should open. This configuration is done on the reader presets. Click on the Outputs tab to select the mode, and then on Emergency to configure the output states for this mode. The LED state of the readers, flashing green in this case, as well as the relay contact state. This must be set to drive the relays in this mode. When the input and emergency mode configuration is done, you can set up the notification. The wizard allows careful selection of who should receive the notification. Enter a descriptive name. Note, there are multiple events you can select from. Enter the event you want to configure in the provided field. You can filter down to the device, but in this case we will use the site filter, because we want to activate emergency for the entire site. Next, select the recipients, and any recipients that should be copied on the email. The last step is to set up the email template. Select the email system account, the subject of the email, and the email body with a brief description of what the email is about. You can also add your own disclaimer if needed. Review the summary and click on Confirm to complete the event-based notification wizard. You can always click on Back to make changes if needed. The event-based notification is now saved, and from here you can edit the notification should any changes be required, like the filter, recipient list, or the email template. You also have the option to disable or enable this notification. And that concludes this video. Thank you for listening. If you found this video helpful, please click on the like icon.